Hello everyone, myself Miss Lokhande Vaijayanti Mahesh, B Farm, lecturer at Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sonai. Today we will going to discuss about the cell. First of all, content of my slides are introduction to cell, definition of cell and its part, cell membrane, and last one cell organelles, its diagram and function. First, what is cell? A cell is a minute jelly-like mass of protoplasma containing a nucleus together by membrane. A cell is the basic living structural and functional unit of body. Robert Hooke first coined the term of cell in 1665. The study of cell, called histology, cell studied under two parts. First part, cell membrane, and second, cell organelles. In that, we see the diagram of cell. In that, ribosome, rough endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, nucleolus, chromatin, Golgi apparatus, Golgi vesicle, cytoplasma, vacuole, peroxisome, secretory vesicle, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, microfilament, centrosome, microtubule, plasma membrane, mitochondria, intermediate filament. Each and every part of cell has defined characteristic and different function. These are studied in further slides. First part of cell is cell membrane. It is a protective sheath of cell body. It is made up of lipid, protein. Lipid contain phospholipid, cholesterol, glycoside and carbohydrate. It measures about 70 to 100 angstrom unit in thickness. Cell membrane is the semi-permeable membrane. So, there is a free exchange of certain substance between extracellular and intracellular fluid. The structure of cell wall is fluid mucosa sac model. The cell membrane actively regulates the internal environment of cell and transport across. Function of cell membrane includes first one protective, second digestive, third excretion, and fourth one property of selective permeability. Later one we discuss function of cell. First one irritability, second one nutrition, third one respiration, fourth one movement, and fifth one growth and reproduction. Second part of cell include cell organelles. First of all, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosomes, peroxisomes, centrosome, cilia, microfilament and microtubule. Before studying cell organelle, we discuss about the cytoplasma. Cytoplasma is located inside the cell membrane and it is made up of cytosol. All the organelles and inclusion. Cytosol is a transparent viscous gel-like fluid containing 75 to 90% of water and the suspended and dissolved component such as protein, lipid, carbohydrate, different inorganic substance and salt. The cell organelles are bathed in the cytosol. First cell organelle is nucleus. The eukaryotic nucleus is bound by a double membrane, which is a phospholipid containing membrane called nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane is extremely continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. The nucleus contains nucleoli. The nucleolus is a cluster of DNA. Nucleus contains 46 chromosomes which contain genes which are responsible for the maintenance of cellular structure as well as control of cellular activities. Second cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. It is interconnected network of internal membranes. It is the largest membrane in a eukaryotic cell. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. First one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Fatty acid and phospholipid are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The amount of smooth endoplasmic reticulum varies from cell to cell. Certain enzymes present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum modify and detoxify many toxic chemicals and carcinogens. Second type of endoplasmic reticulum is rough endoplasmic reticulum. In that, ribosomes are attached on the surface, hence the appearance is granular and rough. Because of presence of ribosome, rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for synthesis of certain proteins. Third cell organelle is ribosome. Ribosomes are small granules which are made up of ribosomal RNA and many ribosomal proteins. Ribosomes are site for protein synthesis. The ribosomes are of two types. One attached to endoplasmic reticulum and other observed free in cytosol called cytoplasmic or free ribosomes. Fourth cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. In that, after protein are synthesized by ribosome, they are brought to the lumen of endoplasmic reticulum, from where they are brought to Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is made up of continuous series of flattened membranous sac. The stalk of Golgi sac has two defined regions, that is cis region and trans region. The proteins from endoplasmic reticulum come to Golgi apparatus through transfer vesicle and fuse with the sac of cis region. These raw proteins are then carried to trans region. Golgi apparatus store proteins and is also responsible for modifying them. Through secretory vesicle, these proteins are secreted outside the cell whenever needed. See diagram of Golgi apparatus. There are two regions. In upper side there is a cis phase and lower side there is a trans phase. Also there is a secretory vesicles. Next cell organelle is mitochondria. As we know, mitochondria called the powerhouse of the cell. The number of mitochondria vary from cell to cell. It can be less than 100 to more than several thousand depending upon energy requirement of cell. The mitochondria is composed of two lipoprotein membrane. In that the outer one is intact and cover the whole structure, whereas inner one is folded internally to form shells. See in this diagram. I repeat, the outer one is intact and cover the whole structure, whereas inner one is folded internally to form shells. Many oxidative enzyme causes oxidation of nutrient, carbon dioxide and water and release energy which is utilized for formation of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Next cell organelle is lyosomes. Lyosomes contain a battery of degenerative enzymes that function at pH 5. Lyosomes are vesicular organelles containing acid hydrolysis. They are vary in shape and size and several hundred may be present in typical cell. They contain ribonucleases and deoxyribonucleases which degrade RNA and DNA, phosphate, protease and the enzyme that degrade complex polysaccharide and lipid into smaller unit. Next cell organelle is peroxisomes. These are similar physically to a lyosomes. They produce and degrade hydrogen peroxide and contain enzyme that degrade fatty acid and amino acid. Next part of cell organelle is centrosomes. Cell contain a pair of tiny cylindrical structure called centrioles. Centrioles can be seen only during cell division. Two centrioles together form the centrosome. It is situated near the nucleus and has an important role in cell division. Centrioles is separated from the centrosome before cell division. The separated centriole forms an achromatic spindle. The nucleus divide and chromosomes are equally shared in an achromatic spindle. Further, these divided cells are called daughter cells. Next one, cilia. Cilia and flagella are motile cellular appendages found in most microorganisms and animals, but not in higher plant. Its main function to move a cell or group of cell or to help transport fluid or material past them. The main purpose is locomotion and feeding. Next one, microtubules. Microtubules are filamentous intracellular structure that are responsible for various kinds of movement in all eukaryotic cell. These are involved in nuclei and cell division, organization of intracellular structure and intracellular transport, as well as ciliary and flagellar motility. Next one, microfilament. Microfilament are also called actin filament, are polymer of the protein actin that are part of a cell cytoskeleton. They have role in cell movement, muscle contraction and cell division. Thank you.